Let's be real, AirPod replicas made people thousands in the last few years. But in 2025, are they still relevant in selling? See, we're gonna go through all of this in this video, and if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and on TikTok with my socials, Hustlertaughtme. All one word, not my personal Instagram, my business. But in every single social media platform I have a link. And that link gives you access to a free community. It is my Beacons link. Go and join the free community where I give you guys behind the scene tips and tricks, and I go live on there to tell you guys about things I can't even talk on YouTube about. But a lot of you guys are looking into trying to resell and understand if what you're trying to do actually makes sense. With this type of propaganda going on YouTube of flipping reps and making a bunch of money, and a bunch of people having thumbnails with money flashing and telling you to sell reps, it may be a little confusing to see if they are actually working or not, because it seems like a bunch of people are giving you mixed signals. Well, this video will give you clear insight of exactly what you can expect when it comes to these, right? These are actually not replicas, these are clones. Now, clones are a bit different, and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly why I took the approach of selling clones over replicas. Now, I could easily get reps, and reps were something I personally a few years ago was selling, and I was making a bunch of money selling them to people too, right? Wholesale and also personally. Now, one thing I will say is being able to sell clones has been better because it does not risk your platform. Now, I know a lot of people, they love the fact that replicas get some sales immediately, but if I gotta be honest, it's only getting you sales because you're creating false expectations to customers, and in return, obviously, you're getting returns and chargebacks, which are hurting you in the long run. You can't list on your eBay anymore. You are banned from platforms, and it's only because of one product. But guys, clones have solved this issue, and I'm going to teach you guys exactly how. So let's talk about the cost, right? So the cost for these right here, these are AirPod Gen 2 clones. They don't have any Apple logos on them, and to be honest with you, this experience is a bit different. So let's open them, right? So as I go and open them, one, it's a little difficult, right? I'm going to open these just to show you guys that the experience is different, and that would be the difference between the clones and reps, right? Because see, clones, they give you a feeling of the presentation, but they also will give you the protection of understanding that this is not Apple. So one, we see no Apple logo, but two, when you open it, you see the little pamphlet, right? But the pamphlet honestly has nothing but like regular writing in it. It's no pamphlet with Apple anything on it, right? Now, yes, it does give a similar feel as far as the verbiage, right, and the literature. But when you look at the product itself, comes in a nice, beautiful bag, right? And you usually have the pods wrapped in plastic so that it can protect it, right? So boom, there go the pods. Now, this is beneficial because again, they're getting the same quality. Quality is the same as the reps. The difference is that it doesn't have fake speaker cutouts, which is usually the reason why you'll run into a lot of customers telling you they can't be on the phone and at the gym at the same time because it just hangs up. Or you'll run into people that say that the speaker when they're on the phone sounds like they're underwater. And 9 times out of 10, it's because there are speaker cutouts that are affecting the quality. Now, this is because the reps are meant to look like the real thing, which, yes, they look like the real thing, but again, they don't have the same functionality, which then creates problems for the customer and gets you returns. We don't want returns. And this is why clones are a bit better, because they do you well at actually showing exactly what you're getting and giving the customer the experience that they're promised, and you don't even have to lie about it. The way that we list these are just by saying in-ear headphones, in-ear wireless headphones, and they sell. We price them for around anywhere between $60 to $40, and we get these and sell these at wespl.com for guess how much? $13 when you are buying wholesale, $28 each if you're just buying for, you know, one product at a time, right? If you want to buy personal use, $28. If you wanted to buy wholesale, $13. You can sell this from anywhere between $40 to $60, and that is what we call profit. Now, I wouldn't be doing an honest video if I did not talk about the risk, right? Now, eBay equals high risk because of keywords, and you can get your products taken down easily, no matter if it's a clone or a rep, right? Because if you use the wrong keywords, the Vero system will take your listing down, and then you'll be sick because you'll be like, yo, B, you said it will work, but it ain't work. But listen, you got to stop trying to con the customers. Now, I know we don't think that we're trying to lie to customers, and you know we're trying to be honest with them. But I'll be honest with you. No, a lot of people aren't. They're trying to give a perception that they're selling a real thing just so that they make the most money, but the money never gets to them in the first place because they end up suspended. Facebook depends on the packaging and the post language because, see, a lot of people don't realize that if you're listing clones, don't list pictures with logos because the clones don't have any, right? And you also want to take a picture with the product outside of the packaging because it becomes easier and it's easier to sell, especially on Facebook, because Facebook goes by post, pictures, and also how the post is constructed. All right, now some buyers return it when it comes to you actually telling them that it is Apple or like Apple AirPods. We say in-ear wireless headphones, okay? For the Maxes, we say over-the-air wireless headphones. That's it. We don't complicate it with difficult verbiage and trying to put keywords that don't actually meet the standard of the product. We tell the customers to inspect what they expect. In the description, we usually just have these are in-the-ear or over-the-air headphones, and these are not AirPod Maxes in any shape or form. This avoids questions, it avoids concern, and most importantly, it gives transparency, so we avoid chargebacks. If you don't know, again, you can go on wesply.com and get the clones. But how do we sell them? So the way that we sell them is not just individually. Sometimes we even bundle them. So we'll bundle 2 pair of these, right? So we'll take these and we'll bundle 2 pair and we'll sell them for around $120. Now the customer can see that it is around $60 each and maybe not buy, right? So what we'll do is go 2 for $100. Like, we want to move these, and that is the main purpose. So we will bundle them, a 3-pack, 4-pack, and even a 6-pack at times to make sure that they move. And this gives the customer a real big value, right? So they will come back. They will be more enticed to buy your listing over others, and they see that you're being honest, okay? People value you being honest and you selling to consumers for daily use instead of trying to sell to consumers because it's Apple and I have a deal, right? Like, we don't try to give people false expectations or false hope. And the next thing we do is flip locally. So you can flip at pop-up shops, at flea markets, and guess what? These can sell at flea markets because they don't have any Apple logos and we are safe. All right, guys, so it's really important to make sure that you're being honest because being honest gives you more places to sell. You don't have any type of problems, and you're often given a way to or a platform to be able to thrive. And last but not least, offer a warranty. Guarantee you get them from me at wesply.com. We offer you warranties. If anything breaks, cracks, scratches, or anything, we got your back like a bra strap. We don't have any of those problems because it's quality over anything around here. We make sure that we give them quality because we want customers to respect our brand. We want customers to be happy. We want customers to be able to buy from us again. So yes, offer warranties. Give them some type of safety feel, right? Let them know this isn't just a one-time transaction. This is a experience. So guys, thank you so much. Go to wesply.com and go get your Gen 2 replica clones, and make sure you guys join the community and let me know when you get them so I can help you list them. Guys, I have no problem helping you and helping you in any capacity, okay? If you're helping yourself, I'm here to help you guys too. I have your back like a bra strap, and I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.